Twisted up, no.
What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel where you learn how to keep it healthy. I'm your boy Mo Bay, and today we got a lock update. I'm starting to style my locks more, as you see. All me, you know what I'm saying? All me. I done that. I did that. It's been done. You know what I'm saying? Now, I didn't do it the way that I should have. It's like halfway done right, halfway not. I got lazy. You know, of course, you got to keep it tight at the base when you're twisting and it's all good. Some of them loose, some of them not. Like this one in the front, not supposed to be able to do that. But it's there. I'm cool with it. You know, I did it myself. It's okay. These are the barrel twists, rolls. I don't know what you want to call them, but you know, the twisty twists. You got to twist while you twist them.
What?
You know what I'm talking about. Now, did everyone? I could have counted them this time. I did not. I think I got about 5 that got 5 locks in them, and then everything else got 4 locks in them. So it wouldn't be hard to count them. I just haven't. But I will say this. My locks are clean. I got me a new product for washing and retwisting. Not under the same brand. It's not. But I will be doing a review for y'all. Now, first I'm gonna talk about the wash. Now, I bought this shampoo. It says foam. I was like, let me try it out. I ain't never had no foam shampoo. I had the foam hand soap. You know, everybody had it. But the shampoo, let me see what they be like. For these products, I done with the Wally World. So if you got a Wally World, you got them. You know what I'm saying? Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. You got the aloe leaves on that month. You know what I'm saying? Healthy. Hair so clean and surprisingly soft. That's what's on the bottle. Love at first wash. Water to foam shampoo with the aloe. So you already know I fucks with the aloe. I put the leaf on the head. Until my So it ain't much different, you know. Put a little bit of soap ingredients in that bit, you feel? Of course, no sulfates and parabens and all that good shit. Yeah, it says wet the hair, point the tip to the target. You open it up like that, like it's oil. And gently massage it into your scalp while it lathers up. You know what I'm saying? So, say I got my locks like this. I wanted to wash this part of my locks, not the root. So I go here, squirt it. Then you work it in. Work that up. Work. And it's good to go. You feel me? Start sudding up. It started smelling good. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking with it. I am fucking with it. You see, I done used most of it. I'm not the only one to wash my hair, but I did use a lot of it. I'm not gonna lie. I was in that bitch getting it. I was like, ooh. Had to make sure it's clean, man. Boys got some liquid molecular technology. It acts like a magnet to attract the dirt and pull that bitch up out of there. One wash changes everything. I wouldn't say it changes everything, but you'll like it. You'll be like, you don't say. Now, other than washing products, you know what I'm saying, shampoo, I got that, boom, you seen it. I'm gonna do a review for you. We got it. Retwisting. Nobody likes buildup. Nobody likes products to be stuck in locks. That's why I do reviews on retwisting products. You feel me? Now this next one I got Talia YG. I think I'm saying it right. I never really say it right. Sometimes I say Talia YG. But we got the Lock It Up locking gel. Something light, not too heavy on the locks, the follicles. For twists, natural starts, and maintaining locks. So that's what I'm doing. You feel me? Defines natural curls and adds moisture. That's what I need, right? You feel me? No flaking. It stops the frizz. I'm frizzy because I don't know. Might be the texture. And softly hold styles together. Man, I give it that. I don't. So far, I haven't seen any build up towards the root as far as what I did in the retwist stage. You feel me? So as soon as I take these out, I'm gonna double check again and make sure I ain't got no build-ups. And then I'm gonna come to you with a responsive review on how I really feel about this. Initially though, I fuck with it. Nice color. Some topaz shit. Born in November. Topaz, you feel me? Smell good. Smell like grease, but it got a scent, a little hint of scent there, you know? So it's not like straight grease. Like I said, I'm gonna do a come back with you on a follow-up. You did come back with you on a follow. Other than that, man, Loc'd's been growing, you know. I've been showing them out. I've been thinking about maybe dyeing my tips again. I don't know. What you think? Leave them dark? I don't know. I gotta fix that. Loc'd's about to fall out, man. But there's no panic here. I got crochet tools for days. As far as dryness, I did pick up those oils. Well, I got sent the oils from Loc'd. Now, I haven't really used them like I should be using them, so I'm gonna get into that and fucks with the scalps, try to maintain the moisture, and I'm gonna let you know how easy it is to maintain the moisture with said products, you feel me? Other than that, I do got some dry areas right up in here, and a little bit in the in-between spots. I've had little itchy spells, but not nothing crazy. Like I scratched a little spot like this. Got some dead skin. Shame. Try to get the rest of that shit out. Boom. But I just wait till a wash to go ahead and know that I'm gonna get all of that shit out. You feel me? When it gets too much itchy, that's when I know I gotta really wash my shit. You feel me? But that's just how I operate. So we got style. New products, you feel me? I'm gonna do a follow-up, you feel me? Once I take these out, come back with the crinkles, I'm gonna be all flourishing, you feel me? Loc'd's just fulled out, you know what I'm saying? Crinkled, mixed, stinkled, I don't know. Till next time, man, it's your boy Mo Bay, and I'm out. Peace, keep it locked, keep it healthy.
Roll, the world gets cold, protect your soul, don't get exposed. Pawn off to the elements, you be hella been gone off the drugs and alcohol. Hella late, rarely be celibate, don't be so ignorant. I got your back, please do a legitimate. No longer degenerate, you know the sentiment. Bust it over for me, baby, I'm feeling it. You just be killing it, 10% innocent. I need that 90, you get me excited. There won't be no fighting, I'm coming, you sliding, you riding.